Are you still translating from Tamil to English before speaking? Or feeling nervous while talking in English? Don't worry. In today's Speak Like a Pro Class 3, you are going to learn powerful daily use English question and answers that native speakers use in real conversations every day. From talking about hobbies, food, weather, movies, travel, and daily routines. This class will help you speak English naturally, answer confidently, improve fluency fast, sound smarter in conversation. Practice these sentences daily and you'll start thinking and speaking in English automatically. So, get ready to speak confident and communicate like a pro only on Smart Kids Learning English through Tamil. Before that, if you are not subscribed, subscribe now and turn on the notification bell. Stay updated for every new English classes. Thank you. Let's begin the class. Daily used English question and answers for effective communication. What time do you usually wake up? I usually wake up at 6 a.m. Do you enjoy watching TV series? Yes, I love watching thrillers. Have you completed your work? Yes, I finished it this afternoon. What do you usually do on Sundays? I spend time with my family. Can you drive a car? Yes, I can drive confidently. Did you call your parents today? Yes, I spoke with them this morning. What kind of movies do you like? I enjoy comedy movies. Do you like shopping online? Yes, it's very convenient. Have you ever traveled by flight? Yes, I traveled last year. What motivates you the most? Achieving my goals motivates me. Did you eat breakfast today? Yes, I had idlis and coffee. Do you enjoy spending time alone? Yes, it helps me relax. What's your favorite fruit? Mango is my favorite fruit. Can you swim? Yes, I learned it in school. Did you listen to music today? Yes, I listened while working. What do you do after work? I take some rest and read books. Do you enjoy gardening? Yes, I love taking care of plants. Have you ever visited a zoo? Yes, I visited one as a child. What's your favorite fast food? I really like pizza. Are you interested in photography? Yes, I enjoy taking pictures. What's your favorite app on your phone? I use YouTube the most. Did you like rainy weather? Yes, it feels peaceful. Have you ever cooked for your family? Yes, they enjoyed my cooking. What do you do when you feel stressed? I listen to calming music. Did you tidy your space today? Yes, I organized it this morning. Great job! Completing Speak Like a Pro Class 3. The more you practice these daily English conversation, the more confident and fluent you will become. Keep learning, keep speaking, and never be afraid to make mistakes. Consistency is the secret to mastering English communication. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Kids Learn English Show Tamil for more spoken English lessons and daily conversation practice videos. Okay, I'll see you in the next class. Until then, it's me, Yamuna, your English trainer, signing off. Happy learning! Choose any video here or visit our channel for unlimited videos.